Okay, our second topic in lesson 2 is called rounding. And remember with our first topic, we talked about the number line and ordering numbers, and now we're rounding numbers. And as you recall, we've got our place value chart, and we've got our decimal point, to the far right side. And then we have the ones, the tens, the hundreds, comma, the thousands, the 10,000s, 100,000s, comma, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and so on. And we're going to use this chart here when we round. And in example 1, we have the number of 471,326,502. And what they want us to do is to round that to the nearest 10,000s place. Now, what we'll do is we're going to locate the 10,000s place, and we're going to underline that digit. So let's locate the 10,000s place. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So I underline that digit. So the first thing you do is underline the digit that you want to round to. Now, it's pretty simple to round. We always look to the digit exactly to the right of the digit that we underline. Now, if that digit is 5 or above, then the underlying digit, I'm going to write this, the underlying digit moves up 1. Now, if the digit to the right is below 5 or below halfway, the underlying digit stays the same. All right, so in this case, is the 6 5 or above, or is it below 5? I'm going to add a 5 there. Well, it's 5 or above, isn't it? So this underlying digit right there, the 2, it's going to move up 1. So I have the 471, comma, 3, 3, okay, because I have the 3 here, and then remember our 2 went up 1 to 3. Now the rest of the numbers I fill with zeros. Right? So to the nearest 10,000, 471,326,502 will round to 471,330,000. Now we're going to use this same technique here in example 2. Now it wants us to round this very large number to the nearest 10 million. So let's locate the 10 millions. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, 1 millions, 10 millions. So the 5 is in the 10 millions place. So I underline it. Now I look at the digit exactly to the right of the underlined digit. Now, is that digit 5 or above? If it's 5 or above, my underlined digit will go up 1. If it's below 5, my underlined digit stays the same. Well, the 2 is below 5, which means then my underlying digit stays the same. So I have 8, 3, comma, 7, 5, because the 5 stays the same, and then I substitute 0 into the rest of the places. And I've rounded to the nearest 10 million. All right, last example. Here we're rounding to the nearest 1,000. So let's underline the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Look at the digit to the right. Is that digit to the right 5 or above? Is 7 5 or above? It is. So my 1 is going to go up 1. So I have 9, 1, 4, 4, 7, 2, and then fill the rest of the places with zeros. And this is a technique that always works. You just got to get used to it, no matter what the number is. If you underline the digit you're rounding to, look at the digit to the right, and then go from there. And this section is rounding.